Oh boy, this is going to be a single take because, well, it's an unboxing video because, you know what? This year, I decided I was going to do something stupid for Christmas, and it kind of started because my friend offered me one of these. He said he was going to sell it, and then kind of stopped at the last minute and said, actually, just kidding. So, I was like, I'm done letting the universe basically screw me. So I got something big, and we're going to open it together. And this is something I didn't think I'd be able to get for at least another year, because, well, if you follow me on Mastodon, you probably already know what this is. We're going to go ahead and open it up. But yeah, we have a PS5. I cannot believe that this actually happened because, yeah, these things are still really hard to get, stock-wise. So, what's funny is actually Sony will sell you one of these directly, but as we can see here, it's a God of War bundle, which is a game I was going to play anyway, so let me get this out of the frame so I can get it out of the box. I would just do it on camera, but that would show off my address. But yeah, there it is. It's actually here. I'm actually looking at this. But yeah, I've been wanting a PS5 for a while because there was a couple games, this one being one of them, and Horizon Forbidden West, games I really want to play because I enjoyed their original installments. And I know they're both available on PS4, which I do have one that's outgoing, but I don't know, after playing both God of War and Horizon Zero Dawn on the PC, I really am spoiled for 60 FPS gameplay because, yeah, it's real nice. So, let's see, how do we even begin to open this? We're doing this together. I want to say, oh, nope, here we go. So we do have a seal here, which is nice because I know there's probably some concern of people breaking into these in transit and taking them because they're still kind of hot property. Thankfully, again, like, you can actually get these, as long as they're bundled, you can get them relatively easily, if I remember correctly. I believe Sony Direct still has them in stock if you buy the God of War bundle. It only sucks because, well, I was kind of going to wait a bit before buying like God of War or Horizon because games for the PS5 are a bit expensive, but unlike Nintendo, thankfully they come down in price over time. So, for example, with my PS4, I got God of War for $10. And for Horizon, I got that for, I believe, $15 for the complete edition. Let's go ahead and open this up. Bump into the camera mount. And here's our controllers and cables, which is nice because I really need more HDMI cables, more better quality ones because, yeah, and I guess, unfortunately, you just get a code for this. I'm one of those weirdos who likes having their physical media, so, So, let's get the PS5 out of the way, because as usual, we save the main event for later. Let's get into the accessories. So we have our appliance power, which I'm going to need that as well. Our booklets, which I'm not going to need. Our stand and good HDMI cable. So this is an interesting piece of kit here. Because it rotates and such, and yeah, I'm probably going to have mine horizontally oriented, even though my Xbox is vertical. We have the DualSense, which this is actually going to be probably put on eBay or something, because, well, when I sold my PS4, I had to sell my DualShock 4 with it. So I was like, well, I'm not going to have a DualShock 4 anymore, so I kind of, I'm going to miss having that controller. So as part of my Christmas gift for this year, my girlfriend did the awesome thing and actually bought me a DualSense. So I have an extra one now. So what I'm probably going to do is plug this one in, test it out, and probably sell it for a little bit of cash. Not anywhere near MSRP, obviously. I just, put a couple bucks in my pocket after this. Maybe throw it towards another game. Who knows? But yeah, that's the accessory bundle done. And thank you, Sony, for giving us a USB cable, which Microsoft still doesn't do. Alright. Let us get the PS4 out of here. Going to do this off camera because it is... I don't want to destroy my new investment here. Because an investment this will be. Also, I'm trying to determine how to grab this. I think I'm going to just do it horizontally here. Come on. She's in there real good. I don't want to just full send it because that would be bad. Oh, come on. And this thing is off center a little bit because of the weird design. But there she is! The disc version 2, because I like having choices as to where I buy my games. That was weird. I had to quit and restart the recording for it to actually focus properly. So let's get on with the show. Oh yeah. This makes me so happy. This thing is also way more massive than I thought it would be. I'm gonna have fun getting this thing to fit. There it is. Off to the side. Very forward thinking here. We've got a USB-C port at the front. A few USB ports at the back. One of these is definitely going to be a hard drive because you can store PS4 games on the hard drive. I do need to get this thing an SSD at some point, but that'll come when I have more money. Who knows, maybe controller funds can go for that. So, let's see, we have this thing here. It's supposed to hook on right where these symbols are. Like that. There we go. And then it should sit like that. Pretty cool. Okay, so this is only an unboxing, so I'm going to go ahead and get off camera and set this thing up and get it integrated into my entertainment center. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and well, Merry Christmas to you and Merry Christmas to me. Oh boy.